Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat ki Sangma Uloong Bahakini ki San Posnam Balalet Deitang kani ka Sorkar Bamenta Kabala Dem Khui Ban Penkenria Yaki Brio ki Basa Hatem Iewmawlong Hapdeng ki Jyrwat ki Rben Baha Habakran Menta ka Khat Artarik Leber Hajar Pausau Ukonrat Uloong Baka Sorkar Lei ka Kwa Ban Pynbeit no Tang Hapo Ar Pausau Kenta Ladala Henry Namar Bala Serta Bun ki Sok Kerdo Kala Slam na Kajingdon ki Kam Mukot Duma Bat Kiwei Henry hakaju kapor Uloong bakani ka Sorkar kan sange Henry kan yai buat dien ban pentikna baya kani ka kam en Pynbeit no kloi bat menta ka jingyat ka kam kala poi syaka benta ka bajan kut sendon la ban kedo baka Sorkar jala kala rai ban penken ria no yaki beriu ki basa Hatem Iewmawlong syaka weipat ka jaka nadu usnam arja khat phra Henry kani ka kam kadang sa teng hadu menta namar ki babun ki kam Jyrwat kam tam haka kam mukot duma
50 years this has been there, and you will appreciate, and the state and the people will appreciate that for the first time actually there's been a serious move by any government to relocate them. When we are trying to address a complex situation like this, there are complexities that we come up with. So therefore, obviously we would want things to happen in the next 24 hours. But there is a reason why it did not happen in the last 50 years because of the different complications that were there. And you must appreciate the kind of efforts and the work that is going on to resolve this in the most amicable manner. There are many, many factors that affect this. It's very easy for anybody to say, okay, solve it today, solve it tomorrow, solve it the after. But you need to look back at the history and realize that this is a very complicated problem and situation with many, many different angles to it, many, many legal issues around it. And we have to work around all these issues, take in account all the sentiments and everything, and come up with a solution that is going to be the most appropriate and most acceptable and most amicable in nature. And hence, it does require time. So therefore, in spite of all the efforts that we put in, we need to realize that these kind of situations will require time to resolve. We are almost at the point where we are close to resolution, and the citizens must appreciate that, and I'm sure most appreciate it. But let me assure the citizens also that we are on this, and we will find, we are very close to find a solution, and we will be finally able to take the last bit of actions that are left to be taken and resolve this at the earliest.